Hello guys, this is a beginner guide on how to use TradingView to analyze your charts. So you just head to www.tradingview.com. This is how the display will look like. Then you click on the product, you click on the super chart, it will display your chart for you. There you go, this is your chart. To use TradingView, you need to have an account. TradingView has a paid account and a free account. I prefer to use the free account because the basic feature is enough for you to trade depending on your strategy. So the other features, you need to learn how to navigate the trading view. You first of all need your pair. You need to choose the pair you're familiar with, the pair you want to trade. You just go on the watch list here. You click on the plus item, then automatically the search button here appear. So when the search button appear, you can choose your pair for the listed ones here. If your pair is not showing under the listed pair here, or the listed stock, or the listed indices, crypto, bonds you want to trade, if it's not listed here, you can just go ahead, type the name of the pair. Automatically it will appear. So when the pair appear, you just need to click this on this plus button. It will automatically appear on your watch list. So when it appears on your watch list, you just close that window and click on the pair you want to trade. Voila, this is the chart of GBP USD that we just selected and included on our watch list. So the next thing you need to know about TradingView is the tools. By the left hand corner, all the tools you need here are highlighted here. So this is the cross. The cross tool is basically, if you don't want to highlight any tool, you just need to click on the cross. And I will just list most of the tools you need to trade. You don't need that much tool. This is the trend line tool. Obviously, you need a trend line tool to be able to draw trends, to be able to identify trends. You need a trend line tool. You need also a rectangular tool. These are the basic things you need. A rectangular tool for you to identify support and resistance, depending on your strategy. But this is just a basic video on how to trade using the strategy that I use. So I only use the trend line tool, the rectangular tool, which I use to identify support and resistance. And I also use the long and short tools. The long and short tools is used to manage your risk, in the sense that you highlight the long tools at your entry, then it will and you put it at your stop loss. It will show you how much you're risking minus the spread. So I use the long and short tools to take entry and to manage my risks. This is the short tools, this is a long tool. So basically these are just what you need. And the next thing I think you need on TradingView as a beginner is to understand the time frame. So up here, you can see the cursor is highlighting on the time frame. Right now, I'm on 5-minute time frame. This is 15-minute time frame. This is 30-minute time frame. This is 1-hour time frame, and this is 2-hour time frame. So what this does is that the time frame is telling you how many one candle is equivalent to each time frame. So this is 2-hour, one candle close. It takes 2 hours for one candle to close on each time frame, on this particular time frame, because it's a 2-hour time frame. And the 4 hours, it takes 4 hours for one candle to close on this time frame because it's a 4-hour time frame. So if you go to the 15-minute, it also takes 15 minutes for one candle to close because it's 15-minute time frame. It goes on and on up to weekly, daily, and monthly time frame. So I think you need to know this depending on your strategy, what time frame you're trading, you need to know the time frame also. And you need to know how to change the chart also. This is a candlestick chart. Depending, I always use the line chart also to identify support and resistance zone. So you can change the candlestick chart to a line chart by just clicking on this icon here. You can change it back to a candlestick chart. And for other advanced features that most people use, but I don't use it. You can use, if you use an indicator, you just click on this indicator features, and you can search any indicator you're using. These are the indicator highlight. If the indicator that you're looking for is not highlighted, you just need to type the name of the indicator if you know the indicator. So I think these are the basic things you need to understand for you to be able to use TradingView. I will be posting an advanced video tutorial for TradingView. If you like this video, I want you to subscribe and turn the notification button on when next I will post the advanced